Lemon Blueberry Spooncake is one of the easiest, most versatile cakes that you'll ever make. Oh, you only have one pan? That's all you need for a spooncake. Blueberry, lemon, sugar, vanilla flour, no eggs, maybe some butter. Let's make a cake. First things first, I'm gonna grab our butter. Melting the butter for this cake is actually one of my favorite hacks. You're just gonna open up your stick of butter and we're gonna pop it in the oven. As our oven preheats, the butter is gonna melt and it's like one less step to worry about. So now let's move on to our blueberries. I'm looking for a cup of blueberries. Let's not freak out, the blueberries are washed. With 1 tablespoon of granulated sugar. And now we're gonna add a couple teaspoons of lemon juice. So the lemon juice and the sugar are going to help loosen up all of the blueberries' natural flavors. And we're gonna help that a little bit by crushing some of the blueberries. So I would say like about a quarter of the blueberries are smashed and the rest are left whole. And these are going to sit for 15 minutes and that's gonna allow all of the juices to like run right out of the blueberries, and it actually creates this really vibrant, beautiful sauce that goes on top of our cake. Into our bowl, we're going to add half a cup of granulated sugar, the zest of a medium lemon. I like to zest with the zester facing the opposite direction because you kind of get to see how much you have. Oh, our oven! Yay! Now we're gonna use our hands and we're going to mash the sugar and the lemon zest, infusing the sugar and getting as much lemon flavor as possible. It's gonna look something like this, like moon sand. Buttermilk, vanilla. Woo! Let's see if this is still hot. No. Okay, so I'm gonna pour this into our sugar and lemon zest mixture. We're gonna add our buttermilk, whisking as we go. Vanilla, blueberry, and lemon. They all work so well together. It's like they were meant for each other. And see, once again, it's gonna look a little weird before it comes together, and that's totally fine. We like to add salt into our wet ingredients because it gives it an opportunity to dissolve. Cup of flour, half a teaspoon, half a teaspoon. Perfect, easy. Whoop. We're gonna do a cup of flour. So I like to spoon the flour into the cup to avoid adding more flour and packing the cup, which will create really dense cakes. Baking powder, baking soda. We're gonna give this a whisk. So now we're going to combine our ingredients. All right, so this is ready to go. I'm going to pour it into our cake mold. It doesn't have to be perfect. It's time to bring our blueberries back. You can see that they've released more juices. They've released color. So there's no right or wrong way to do this. You can just spoon it directly onto the cake. You could cover the whole cake. You could use frozen blueberries. You could use peaches. You could use strawberries. When they're in season, like peak summertime, this is fantastic for that. So she might not be super pretty now, but just wait until she comes out of the oven. You just gotta trust me on this, okay? So we're gonna leave her in there for about 35 minutes. So the cake is perfectly cooked and it has this beautiful golden brown color. As you can see, it's starting to pull away from the edges and the blueberries look like they're perfectly cooked. I'm so excited to try this. Ready? Yum. Look at the beautiful blue. Could you eat this at room temp? Sure. But then would your ice cream melt and create this perfect gooey cake-like consistency? Maybe not. This is incredibly delicious. Vanilla, blueberries, and lemon. It's like a trio made in heaven. Does everything need to be difficult? No, give yourself a break and make an easy cake. Oh my God, I just rhymed. I'm just gonna keep eating it, it's so good. Spoon cake. I'm gonna head out.